Hello everyone, welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a product that just hit the market about an hour ago. And this one's really creative and you're getting a huge amount. I really like these kits where it's not just the 30 coloring images that you're getting, but you're getting in this kit 144 done for you sport activity pages for kids. This product is from Pixel Crafters. They produce high quality coloring book and activity book commercial rights use products for us to go ahead and take, reshape them, format them the way we want to, and organize them the way that we want to, and then turn them into several different books and upload them to different platforms like Etsy, Amazon KDP, and others to make money. So these kits are just a really good way to have product already done for you. And if you've ever hired a designer, you would know that it would cost hundreds of dollars to produce this type of product. So that's where the value of this actually comes in. And then they only do a 3-day launch. And then the price goes up. So then, there will be a lot, very minimal sales after the launch because the price goes up. So this just secures that there won't be so many sales that this exact product gets saturated. So, this product is called Little Champion Activity Fun. And I'm going to give you a quick review. I did pick up a copy of this. I can show you the inside of it. And then I did add a custom bonus like I usually do. So let's jump in real quick. If you decide at any time that you want to go ahead and pick this up, I'm just showing you this real quick. Some of you don't end up watching the entire video. I just want to show everybody that I do have a custom bonus for you. I'm on a lot of people's lists and, nobody's putting together any kind of bonuses with this kind of stuff. They're just emailing, here's a pack, cool, pick it up, right? What I'm trying to do is offer more value to you as a viewer, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, or if you are a subscriber and you've bought these products from me before. I really appreciate that. I do. And every time I'm trying to offer value by giving you a little bit more than just the product, right? I'm trying to give you another pack that you can utilize and create even another book out of. So that's what I'm trying to do. I want to make sure that you get my bonuses if you do pick this up. I don't think anybody else is actually offering any bonuses. So that's why if you're going to pick this up for the $17, pick it up from my link and you're going to get the bonuses in this package. And I just created a brand new one that hasn't been introduced before, which is a bonus 21 panda coloring pages with backgrounds. Here's 4 samples for you. Really high quality coloring pages of pandas, cute little panda bears doing different activities and things like that. Some of them with their family and all that. And then you're going to still get the construction kit. If you haven't picked up any of my bonuses before, these will be new to you. If you have picked up some of my products or in the last month or two, some of these products you probably already have, but in this case today, I was only able to create one extra exclusive bonus. So just wanted to point that out, but this one has never been introduced. So you're still going to get one, still going to get a really good bonus there. Construction pages, you're going to get those. You're going to get the 40 airplane pages as well. And then I've only given this one out one time, the 40 Christmas coloring pages. These ones are really awesome. So at any time during the video, if you want to pick up it, just go ahead and click the link in the description and then go over here and click on one of these buttons here, and it'll take you over to the purchasing page, which is going to be this page right here. It's going to take you over to the sales page, the Pixel Crafters sales page, where you're getting 8 new modules, 4 bonus modules with over 140 activity pages. You can use these to publish your own children's activity books. Let's check out the sales page. You can already see that this is going to be high quality. And what I like about this is that this is educational, right? So everybody's, because of the pandemic, everybody is learning in school, or most students are learning from home right now. I know my kids, I have 2 kids, they're learning from home right now. And so these types of activities, these are interesting because even teachers might want to buy these from you. If you were selling this kit for like on Etsy, you'll have a lot of teachers going in there and buying this stuff. So then they can print this, give these out to the parents at home and do these activities at home. So these can actually be used in the classroom and not just from a parent at home that wants to get extra learning and studying done with their kids, buying a book on Amazon KDP, that's great and all, right? But you can take it even further than that. And these are actually even important to the teaching setting, right? For teachers. So you're getting a lot with this package. They have, I think I've only seen this a couple times from them where they're giving out this much. It's usually a coloring book kit, right? This one in the front end offer. Yes, there are upsells. There's going to be 3 or 4 upsells as usual, but in this one, just the front end offer alone is unbelievable. You're getting all this 26 first letter writing exercises, 26 learn the name exercises, 26 sport name writing exercises, 5 sets of word puzzles, 26 first letter sound exercises, 7 sets of fine. I could read all this, right? But I'm not going to bore you with that. It's too many to read to you right now without boring you. So every single one of these, here's what, I picked up the kit. I'm going to show you the inside in just 1 second. But every single one of these can be created into its own separate book or product. So there's 3, probably not that one, but 4, 5, 6, 7. You can add a few more spins on here to add these. So you're looking at, you could create about 10 different products from the front end offer on this one. This one is incredible. I really, really like it. And so you are going to also get their, so they're 8.5 by 11. So standard page, you're getting the commercial license to be able to sell this and use these in your designs. And it just keeps going. The quality is there. Look, I mean, these are very, very educational, and then they can also color these. So that's like a coloring page. They can color it, and then they can practice the word diving, right? Just really, really good stuff, right? And we keep coming down, all kinds of different modules. Really, really good. They're just learning different sports names. The activity of sports and what kind of sport it is, and then coloring a really cool, and then it's the alphabet all the way to Z. I didn't even know there was a sport for every letter in the alphabet, right? And then you have more practice writing. So this is a very much so a learning activity book, crossword puzzle, all kinds of good stuff. Look at all this. And what's really cool is you also get every single thing in a Word format, PowerPoint format, and JPEG format. So you can't go wrong with either one. And then this is something cool that they've introduced. Match the shape, right? So you find that design there, and then you have to match it with the shadow, match it with the shadow. Okay. So then we have, and then even mazes. Wow. They've thrown in mazes there too. So just incredible. So here's what I always like. They always give you a template that you can go in and customize in either Photoshop, or you can use Microsoft Word to format, and they've got a kind of a book ready for you to go for covers, right? So that's the product. When you purchase, it'll take you over to Pixel Crafters. If you haven't purchased from them before, they have a membership website. So you actually, they'll give you your password and all that. You'll go ahead and just click the login button, go through the steps. You'll put in the password that they email to you, or they'll have it in your Warrior Plus account. Then you'll go in and you'll get to your purchasing page. In this case, you go over here, you have a couple download links. You just go to the membership page right here. I went to the middle one, and then it'll take you over, and you can choose a couple different ways to download. I choose Google Drive because I like Google Drive. And then you can come in and start checking out the product, and you get it Word, you get the JPEG, and then you get the PowerPoint file, right? And so you get all the, all the different stuff that they're giving in each one. Then we come over here and check out some of the other different stuff. Here's the shadows that they're giving you, right? So you get this whole pack for $17. You can't go wrong with this. It looks really good. This looks like a really, really good set. I'm excited to get this, and I have a couple secret places that I actually sell different things, put these products together and sell on that are less competitive than some of your popular places. And so so I'm excited to take this kit and go and make some money with it. So yeah, if you're interested in picking this kit up, I'm excited to tell you guys about this Little Champion Activity Fun Kit. And this is my bonus package from Teach Me Money Methods. This is exclusive. You will not get these bonuses from anybody else. If you pick this up, you'll go into your Warrior Plus account. You'll have a button underneath the Access Your Product. It's a green button. And then right underneath that, it'll be a blue button, Access Your Affiliate bonus. there'll be a link. You'll click on that link. It'll take you over. You'll just put your email in. And if you've already done that before, then you already have access, right? You'll just put your email and your name in, and it'll take you into the bonus pages, and then you'll be able to download all these bonuses instantly. And I really appreciate that. So yeah, I hope you found this video with value, and go ahead and get out there and get creating and make some money. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.